So I'm watching, I am hot for you in every way. And turn around, let me see you, wanna free you with my rhythm. I know you can't get enough when I turn up with my rhythm. Your body's poetry, speak to me. Won't you let me be your rhythm tonight? Move your body, move your body. I wanna be your muse, use my music and let me be your rhythm tonight.
Catching feelings.
Yeah.
Hey, did y'all read what Puffy and Biggie said in Vibe? Didn't they sound like suckers? Outlaws got them on the run. Going for none. Oh, this part 2 of the beat. Part 2 of the war. Cross this nigga here now, Biggie, tell me who do you fear? Ain't a living so grievous, I pump no fear here. My last foe flashed and I mashed his ass. Bastard, fuck with me, but I blast your ass. So many follow but can't reach me. Caught in the maze, catch him, mimicking my style, trying to walk this way. Impossible, my posse dropping you, we death row ride. No need to beg, motherfucker, ain't no mercy inside. Feeling blessed, the richer I get, the more I stress. Smoking lot, watching time fly, waiting for death. Dear God, I've been feeling like I'm close to Jesus. Paranoid with my pistols close, smoking trees. Keep my eyes on my foes, those close to me. Watching niggas catch straight, shake, choke and bleed. Me, a mercenary for the street. Check my pedigree, busting motherfuckers, it's the thug in me. Now niggas talk a lot of bad boy shit, they get the squealing. Bitch made catching feelings. Come on now. Outlaw niggas, are you ready to clam? My homeboys might squabble, but we don't fall down. Screaming bye-bye bitches, untouchable sound. Niggas hot like hoes when we hit your town. Outlaw niggas, you ready to clam? My homeboys might squabble, but we don't fall down. Screaming bye-bye bitches, untouchable sound. Niggas hot like hoes when we hit your town. Catching feelings.